Parents, is your grade 6, 7, or 8 child struggling with writing? In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to give you a simple, powerful method that will not only prepare your child for the ELPAC writing section, but will make them a more confident writer in all their classes. Let's get started. ELPAC stands for English Language Proficiency Assessments for California. Here's a question from the ELPAC Writing Practice Test, grades 6 to 8. Write about academic information. You are working on a group project about a book you read in class called Priya's Day. Some members of your group have created a graphic organizer of the book's storyline. Use the information in the graphic organizer to answer the 2 prompts. Prompt 1. Write 1 sentence explaining when Priya loses her homework. Use at least 2 details from the graphic organizer. Prompt 2. One of your group members, Shari, thinks the story Priya's Day has a sad ending. Using the information in the graphic organizer, explain to Shari why Priya's Day has a difficult beginning but a happy ending. Make sure you write a paragraph of at least 3 sentences. You open your test. There's a chart, a few boxes, and the question, write a paragraph. You know the facts, but how do you turn them into sentences? That's exactly where Teacher Marie at verbling.com/teacher/Marie can help. That's where so many students freeze. You've got the information, but you can't get it onto the page. Parents, this is exactly the moment students get the help they need in our one-on-one online lessons. Here's the secret. This isn't just a writing task, it's a detective case, and you're the investigator. You need to collect the clues, connect the clues, conclude the case. When you master these 3 C's, you can crack any chart, graph, or diagram in school, on tests, and in real life. First, collect the clues. Pull the key facts from the chart. No writing yet, just clues. Next, connect the clues. Use linking words like because, while, however, to make them flow. Finally, conclude the case. Answer the question directly using your clues as evidence. As a reminder, the prompt is write 1 sentence explaining when Priya loses her homework. Use at least 2 details. Now you should think as detective would. Turn on your detective mode. Let's solve our first case. First, we collect the evidence. What are the significant occurrences? Rides bike to school in the rain, and homework falls out of backpack. Let's connect these 2 events. Now the conclusion. Priya loses her homework while she is riding her bike to school in the rain. Case closed. 1 sentence, 2 clues, done. If you're finding this helpful, go ahead and click like and subscribe so you will easily find new videos on YouTube. Let's deal with the next prompt. Explain why Priya's Day has a difficult beginning but a happy ending. Now for the big one, a full paragraph. Again, we need to collect the evidence, connect them, then conclude. Let's collect the things that happened as evidence. Woke up late, lost homework, was worried, then friend finds homework, brings it to her. Now we connect all these ideas. I understand why you think Priya's Day ended sadly, but it actually ends happily. I know this because that information is in the prompt. It asks you to explain why Priya's Day has a difficult beginning but a happy ending. Her day started badly because she woke up late, lost her homework, and was worried. However, things turn around when her friend finds her homework and returns it. Therefore, even though Priya had a tough start, her day ended well thanks to a good friend. See? Each sentence builds the case until you've got a complete, convincing answer. Once you've got the 3 C's, you can tackle writing in any subject. History, science, literature, it's your academic superpower. Parents, in our online sessions, students practice this until it's automatic. That confidence changes everything. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start writing like a detective, let's work together. Students, grab your notebook and start cracking cases, Parents, click the link to book a one-on-one session so your child can master this skill. Book a one-on-one ELPAC writing session. Subscribe for more school superpowers. In the comments, mention which part of the ELPAC exam is the most difficult for your child. This will guide the next video.